Alright, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. We're going to be going to look at the Datsun 510 today. So if you don't know, Datsun 510 has got taken away for some work, basically, being stripped down and repainted. The paint job was fine, the bodywork is fine, but obviously this is like a keeper car, so it needs to get repainted. The same colour, it's not going any wild colour. I quite like the cream, to be honest. I call it my cream dream. Anyway, so yeah, we're just going to go have a look at it. I need to drop off a brand new front apron because I can't remember what was wrong with that actually. I just think it was battered down the bottom. It was all battered and warped. So I don't know. You managed to find one reasonably cheap, and it was actually reasonably cheap, to be honest. Shipping from Japan, there was no import fees, so yeah, it was pretty good. So we're going to be dropping that off. I need to also drop off a locking wheel key. And also that little thing there. I don't even know if you can see it, but we're going to be dropping off something that's there. It's that centre garnish in the middle there. Spoiler alert. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Going to load up the car, load the Pajero Mini up. You guys remember that car, the Pajero Mini? Going to load that up with everything and then just drive off and show you the work that's been done. Really actually impressed with the work that's been done already. It's very good stuff. Few people may have noticed that the videos to do with the pickup truck have been taken down. There is a reason for that, because basically people, there's basically the fabrication shop, because there were two companies that were working on that car, on the truck. There was the fabrication shop and the paint shop. The paint shop is a joke. They're a clown show. They fucked the car up totally with a really substandard paint job. Like it's not up for debate. That's all in hand. But the fabrication shop have taken umbrage with some of the things that I've posted about it, and they are claiming defamation, basically. So all the videos are down for now. I am dealing with that. That's in hand. I'm dealing with it. They're claiming defamation, claiming things were basically issues with the paint job were likened to stuff that they did, stuff like that. But whatever, that's in hand. We'll get through that, and I will, talk about the pickup truck a little bit more. So that's in hand. That's been dealt with. But that's why the videos have gone. But there's no progress on the pickup truck for now. I am waiting on parts. There's a lot of parts that I have actually got for that now. New wiring harness from Wiring Specialties, loads of stuff. So that's in hand. I'm dealing with it. But that's why the videos have gone. But anyway, let's go to a good painter. All right, let's go to a good paint shop, and I'll show you the work being done to the Datsun 510.
All right, guys. So this is some of the welding that's been done. Now, this isn't finished. This is going to be ground down. It's going to be reworked. Some fillers going to be put on it. All these other bits and pieces is going to be done. And it's also going to be wrapped aligned. This is the wheel well, obviously. And then I'm just going through some of the images. This is the front apron had to be removed, but this is the right way to do it. Take the front apron off, so you can obviously access all the paint underneath. Look how good this looks. This is where the battery tray used to be. You honestly couldn't tell. I think that looks amazing, and it's obviously all smoothed over. Every single seam in the engine bay is being welded, ground down, chemical metalled, and then filled and smoothed over, and then painted. So yeah, I'm so happy with the work. This is obviously the bonnet coming along quite nicely. It's just really good work. I mean, there's not much else really to say. Again, all of this is going to be ground down a little bit more, seam sealed, filled in, wrapped aligned, everything. And even did the strut tops, as you can see here, which again, super happy with. This is in progress. But yeah, good job, I think.
All right, guys. So back home from seeing the Datsun 510. I did all the voiceover and stuff, so you've kind of been brought up to date on it all. It looks good, doesn't it? I mean, the overall plan is just smooth, super smooth, clean engine bay. Weld up all the seams, get some more structural rigidity in it, just make it nice and clean. There's some floor patches on the floor pan that need doing, but all in all, you know what? It's really good condition for for a car that age, and it's because it's a Greek car. And that guy does such good work. He's the chap who did the front splitter, the wing and the door for me, and did it in a really quick turnaround time, but a really good job. Sorry, doggo. Cece's down there, unfortunately just accidentally. I think I may have stood on her a little. No, I actually stood on her, obviously you'd have heard a yelp, but anyway. Yeah, so he did some work for me before, and I just, I posed the question, would you be keen on doing the whole car? And he was like, yep, absolutely. Those kind of jobs are fun for him, really. So it was good. I mean, it's great work. I got no criticisms at all. It's really good, just good work. So nice to see it. Dropped off the front apron, wrapped a liner, because they're like wrapped a liner in the wheel wells and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm keen to see the progress, and I'll keep you guys informed of the progress. Obviously, there's no rush on this. This is just like, just do it whenever. Like I honestly, I don't care when that gets done, because it's going to get done right. Obviously, you can see all of that, and it's going to get done to a high degree. So I'm not in a rush. It's only going to come back here, and then I've got to put the engine in it and stuff. So I don't think it'll be back this year on the road. I think it'll be back next year when it'll be on the road again, which I'm fine with, So anyway, this is a very rambly video, but I'm going to wrap this up here, I think. Yeah, I can't comment much more on the truck just yet. I'm getting, well, again, like I said at the start, the videos have had to be removed because the fabrication shop has claimed defamation, basically, because they're apparently I've misled people into believing that their fab work, that the paint work is the same as the fab work, which I don't believe I did, but okay, we'll see. That's in hand, and there will be some more work on the pickup truck. And if I've got to re-record, those videos in a way which is completely down the line, word for word, quote for quote, everything that they did that I disagree with in terms of, whether I think it's value for money or not, then I'll be doing that. I will be getting my opinion out on the pickup truck and the fabrication shop, mark my words. It annoys me that people think that they can stifle reviews when they're bad. Yeah, but anyway, whatever, I'm rambling. I'm going to finish up now this video. Just a quick video to get this out here. More stuff happening on the pickup truck very soon, very, very soon. Going to try getting the engine together and starting it up, basically. But that is obviously quite I don't know how close we are to doing stuff like that. We'll see. But anyway, Datsun 510 looked good, didn't it? Bye bye now.